عبد الله السعيد في سن ال 40 وبيقدم اداء احسن من معظم لعيبه الدوري مع الزمالك. والحاجه الثانيه غياب نتائج وبتزرع عن المباراه الجايه هيعملوا مشكله ولا ايه؟
So first of all, Abdullah is doing a really good performance in doing all the games. For you need to know your opinion about the performance of Abdullah, especially he's 40 years old and almost is one of the best players in the league. This is the first part. Second part is about one. He will miss them next game. So I think it will be a problem for the team.
So first of all, regarding Abdallah, I'm happy for once to speak individually about a player.
يعني احنا مبسوطين جدا ان احنا عندنا فرصه ان احنا نتكلم مع عبد الله.
This guy is just amazing.
عبد الله اكتر من رائع يعني.
As a player and as a person.
يعني كابتن عبد الله كلاعب وكشخص شخص رائع جدا.
His leadership.
قيادته.
The fact that he leads by example.
ان هو مش بس بيقود الفريق بالكلام لكنه بيقود الفريق كقدوه.
His commitment, his hard work.
التزامه وشغله بجد.
All that being 40 years old.
كل ده هو بيعمله وهو عنده 40 سنه.
I feel very blessed to coach him.
احنا حاسين ان احنا سعداء جدا، دي نعمه جايه من ربنا ان احنا بندربه.
And he helped us a lot already, and I hope he will keep helping us a lot in the rest of the season.
هو ساعدنا كتير جدا في الفتره اللي فاتت واحنا بنتمنى انه يفضل بيساعدنا لنهايه الموسم ان شاء الله.
Then regarding the two players that we will miss, yes, indeed we will miss them. We have players to replace them, and it will be their moment to take their chance and to show. They had minutes today, and there is no reason. I think they will do well. They do well on training. They do well when they come in or when they start games. So I'm not worried for next week.
احنا بالنسبه لنا اكيد هنفتقد اللعيبه اللي هتكون غايبه في المباراه الجايه، لكن في النهايه هم عندهم بدائل. احنا شايفين ان البدائل بتشتغل بشكل كويس، وهم خدوا دقائق النهارده فاشتغلوا كويس لما بداوا الماتش، واحنا واثقين ان هم يشتغلوا بشكل كويس ان شاء الله الماتش اللي جاي.
شكرا يا جماعه.